All right, so we're going to take a look at some basic function operations. We're given two functions. We've got f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4, and g of x equals x minus 3. And we're asked to find four things: f plus g of x, f minus g of x, f g of x, and f divided by g of x. Okay, so we'll just go one at a time and sort of break these down. The first thing I would do is, I'm not really a big fan of this format here. So I actually like to rewrite an operation of two functions. I like to write it out as an actual addition, the addition of two different functions. So f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. This is just a more condensed form, but I think it's a little less clear. Okay, so f of x plus g of x. Now we just fill in what we know. All right, f of x is here, g of x is here. We'll fill it in, combine like terms, and that's it. So f of x, we've got x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 plus g of x, which is x minus 3. Nothing to distribute here. I'm just adding, so I can just go ahead and combine like terms. We've got 3x and x, and then negative 4 and negative 3. So I'm going to get f plus g of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 7. Okay. So let's little space there. F minus g of x is going to be pretty much the same, except instead of adding, we're subtracting. So that's f minus g of x is the same as f of x minus g of x. We'll go ahead and fill it in. X cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 minus g of x, x minus 3. Okay, we got to go ahead and distribute our negative sign here. So this is going to become negative x, positive 3. I'll change that. Okay, combine like terms, same as before. 3x and negative x, negative 4 and positive 3. So I get x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, and that's what f minus g of x is equal to. Okay, you can probably kind of see where this is going. We'll go ahead and do f g of x, and this is really f times g of x. Okay, so f g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So we're going to go ahead and just do x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 times x minus 3. Okay, then this is just some polynomial multiplication, distributive property. So x to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x, and we've got minus 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus minus 9x. plus 12. Okay. Combine like terms. So x to the fourth. Let's see, get our cubed terms, so minus 5x cubed. Squared terms. X terms. Constant term. So we get f g of x equals 5x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 9x squared minus 13x plus 12. So it's just the product of your two functions. And the last one, we're going to do f divided by g of x. Okay, so f divided by g of x is the same thing as f of x divided by g of x. Okay, and let's just fill in what we know here. F of x is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. And then g of x is just x minus 3. We also have to keep in mind when we're dividing that we may end up altering our domain, our function's domain. In this case, we can't have x be 3 because that would end up making our function undefined. Right, we'd be dividing by 0. So we have to specify, okay, x cannot be 3. So f divided by g of x equals this right here. Now, at some point, you'll probably learn about polynomial division, either synthetic division or long division, and you could potentially simplify this more, not in every scenario, but potentially. But for the time being, this is how we're going to leave it. All right? Hope you found that helpful.